RLE is performed using advanced surgical technology that delivers very precise results. Before the procedure, your eye will be examined in order to calculate the lens that will be implanted in the eye. During the procedure, the surgeon removes the natural lens of the eye and implants a state-of-the-art intraocular lens that actually corrects vision at all distances. The procedure takes in all 10 to 15 minutes per eye. Because the artificial lens never ages or never clouds, your vision will stay clear for a long time, and it eliminates the possibility of developing cataracts altogether. At LASIK MD, RLE is trusted, proven, and performed every day, with technology refined over the last 25 years. Right after RLE surgery, the vision is a little blurry. However, over the course of the next few hours, focus gets better and better, and by the next day, the lens delivers the vision promised.